Hi, it's Pania. I'm going to show you how to make this cute crochet puff flower. I wasn't going to make flower tutorials, but I thought this was super cute on the Molly yellow dress, so I'm going to show you to make it. So first here, I'm starting off with a magic ring. I'm going to yarn over and pull it through, chain 1 here, and then make 10 single crochet into the magic ring. Once you have 10 single crochet into the ring, I'm going to pull the tail to cinch the center of the flower here so that we close the little gap, and then slip stitch into that first single crochet right here. And then right away we're going to make our puff stitch. We're going to chain 3, yarn over, skip the stitch below, and into the next one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Make sure to pull that yarn through to meet the height of the chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through to meet the height of the chain 3 again, yarn over, insert into the same stitch again, and pull through. And one more time, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all of those 4 sets of loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then chain 3 here. And slip stitch into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat again the puff stitch, chain 3, yarn over, and create your puff here. So we're yarning over, inserting the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and doing that 4 times to create the puff. And then chain 3 here, slip stitch into the next stitch, and we'll do that for another 3 sets to have a total of 5 puffs. Here, just made my last chain 3. I'm going to slip stitch into the very last stitch here, yarn over, and then cut your yarn, making sure to leave a long strand so you can use the strand to sew the flower onto whatever your project is. In my case, the dress for the Fleece Bunny Molly that Amelia had requested. And as you can see here now, I'm using my yarn needle and inserting the strand into the yarn needle hole, and what I'm going to do is just bring this piece towards the center, making sure that the center of the flower is cinched up nicely so there's no hole. So I'm using this needle to bring that strand towards the center of the flower. And now the strands are in the center of the flower, and now it is ready to sew onto the dress. With my needle attached to one of the strands, I am placing the flower where I want to and insert that needle through to the back, and making sure to sew in each of the petal into the dress. Now I'm double knotting this area here and then inserting that loose strand through one more time and cutting it off. And here, as you can see, I am ending with the other strand and making sure that it is sewn into the back of the project as well, and then double knot and cut off that yarn. And here is the yellow dress from Molly with a bunch of flowers, including the crochet puff flower that I just made. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please check out my YouTube channel, Pania Crochets, on how to make this dress.